We'll need wire, strippers, crimpers, tightening tools, pins, and the connectors. Red wire goes with the positive or male. Black wire goes with the negative or female. So how do we know which pin goes with which connector? Well, we know bigger is better. So it makes sense for this to be with the male, and the small one goes with the female. Let's start with the positive wire, and we don't need to strip that much, only about 1/4 of an inch or about 6 millimeters. Now we're going to take our pin and put it in the largest part of the crimpers, give it a little squeeze, it'll hold in place. We can add the wire, and now we can clamp it down tight. And depending on the wire gauge, you might also need to crimp it down in the middle position as well. Now we can add the end cap, the compression sleeve, and the male connector. And it should give you a little click. Then you can start tightening it down by hand, and then use the tightening tools to get it fully tight. Now we'll do the same thing for the negative wire. And that's it. We have 2 watertight MC4 connectors ready for solar. Stay tuned for more solar videos coming up.